Got a broken phone. Broken phone, screen's cracked, all broke up. So you take any kind of basic toothpaste, just spread it all over it like this. It's regular toothpaste, that's all it is. See, you got the cracked screen. You just take toothpaste and scrub it all around that crack. Get that crack real good. Make sure you get it all on that real good. Make sure it's all covered. Make sure you cover every little crack. Oh, rub it in real good like this. And see, here's the catch that everybody's missing. It's this Axe spray, man. This is what does it. Spray a little bit on top of it. Let it sit. A little bit more rubbing to get it all in there real good. Make sure it's all covered and cracked up. Let's see. Rub it in there real good. Make sure you get all of it off. Then you wipe the screen clean. Look at that. Perfect screen. Got to clean it a little better.